Dear learners, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to learn how to fix this feature pairs exception. So for example, if you are using the Cucumber BDD framework, as a first step, you guys will do the test design. So for which, we always create a feature file. And whenever we create a feature file, as a first step, we will be defining the purpose of the feature file with the help of the feature keyword, and followed by we are going to map all the relevant scenarios either using the scenario keyword or the scenario outline keyword. Now, while doing the test design, right, if you make any of the syntax error, so the syntax error in the sense if you make any mistake in the Gherkin keyword, so let's take the feature keyword as an example. So by mistake, if you try to add a space after this feature keyword and if you try to run your automation script, right, then it will throw the exception called as an feature pass exception. So the feature pass exception is nothing but you have done some mistake in a feature file. So which means the framework is unable to parse the data in the feature file. So that is generally due to the syntax error. So which is nothing but, so we need to check the Gherkin keywords which we have used, or else if you just go through the error message, right, it says features pairs exception and it says fails to pass resource set, and it is telling which in which feature file we are facing the error, and the name of the feature file is kind of an amazon.feature. And post that if you just read this error, right, it says expected colon. Okay, it is expecting the colon. So where it is expecting the colon? So in the feature keyword. So which means as we have added the space, right, it is not considering the colon. So whenever you're doing the test design, right, after the feature we should not use the space. So if you use the space, it will throw the feature pass exception. In similar way, after scenario, by mistake if you have added the space and if you try to run the script, right, then again you will be getting the feature pass exception, and this time the error will be in the scenario. Okay, so from the description you can able to understand. So whenever you make some syntax error in the feature file, then we will be getting the feature pass exception. Hope now you guys are clear, and if you have still any doubts, right, you can just comment your doubts and I'm happy to help, and keep supporting and keep learning. Thanks for watching this video.